In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock hidden album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. After that, tap right here at Albums, and then if we scroll down to the very bottom, we can easily find Hidden Album here. We can use that album to hide some photos from our main photo library. To hide a photo, long press on it, then tap at Hide, and then Hide Photo. That will move that photo from your main photo library to the hidden album. However, even though this album is hidden, it is not locked, so now anyone with your device in hand can get access to that album just by tapping on it. And now let me show you how we can easily lock this album. To lock hidden album, we need to go to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Photos. And that's where we need to activate the option which is called Use Face ID. Just tap on it to turn it on, and then if we go back to Photos, we can find that now it is showing that lock icon next to hidden and recently deleted albums, which means that now Face ID is required to get access to that albums. If we try to get into it, we'll be asked to use a Face ID. And also in here, in Settings, we can hide hidden albums even from Photos app by turning off that feature. Now if we go back to Photos and then to Albums, we can find that there is no more hidden album located at the Utilities section. That's how you can easily lock or hide hidden album on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.